silhouettes equal clarity. If you notice all of these silhouettes, they're very iconic and they're broken out in such a way that you can really identify each character very fast. You can pause at any time and just see how many you can name. Go ahead, pause now. I can wait. Did you get them all? Even Michael Jordan and Sherlock Holmes? That's what I love about the Sherlock Holmes one. There is no definitive character design, but the iconic pipe and that hat pretty much spells it all. So here are a few examples. So when I'm talking about silhouette and clarity, let's take a little ghost eating a cupcake. You know, creating some lines. Oh, look, he's nice, he's cute, he's got his thing going on, he's really happy, it's his birthday. But when I kind of come to the silhouette mode, like that first read, it really just kind of looks like a big blobby shape, right? But if I plan it out just a little bit better, try to figure out what the story is about. The story's not just about the ghost in this scenario, right? It's a ghost eating a cupcake. When you have these certain ideas in your mind, you can change directions of your silhouette for clarity's sake. So when you color it in, now you have clarity. You have a first read and you know something is about something, not just a blob in space. So another good example is edges. So your silhouette is bound by edges and boundaries. So if I have two boxes and I just kind of draw this shape in here, like this, maybe you can kind of discern what it's going to be, but it could be many different things. So edge and that clear form is the only way to recognize what an object is. And that's why you're using clear silhouettes.